Hello, I am Tejaswini of 8th Sem Mechanical Engineering here before you to present a seminar on topic Production and Prospects of Biodiesel from Pongamia pinnata in India. India is a country with vast flora and fauna in it. But we Indians somewhere fail to recognize the assets in our country. It has been a human tendency to say change is nowhere. We cannot change the country. But I would say getting a small space for ourselves, other than saying change is nowhere, change is now here. So it's very important for us to understand our responsibility for the nation and be a citizen, not just a population. In this presentation, I would like to put the limelight on the production of biodiesel from Pongamia pinnata. But before that, it is very important for us to know what is biodiesel. Biodiesel. It refers to a vegetable oil or animal fat which is chemically reacted with the alcohol to produce the esters. India is said to be world's third largest crude oil importer. But we Indians believe that having a private vehicle is pride on ourselves. But I would say it is the people who have to work on this to save the crude for the future and also to use it in a good way. It is very important for us to know what, how, and why biodiesel. So, here are some of the points explaining about this. So, now talking about why biodiesel. It is economical, renewable, and holds a good part to save the nature. So, it supports the farmers and reduces the air pollution too. Now, coming to the production of biodiesel from Pongamia pinnata, the process flow of the production is mentioned in the screen. As I have already mentioned before, what, how and why plays a vital role in understanding the things. So let us know what is Pongamia. Pongamia pinnata is commonly called as honge, batti, etc. The classification of Pongamia pinnata is given on the screen. It is very important for us to identify the biodiesel yielding seed, so the pictorial representations of the seeds and tree leaves are projected on the screen. It is very important for us to discuss about some interesting facts about the Pongamia pinnata tree, which helps us in knowing the core of the information on the main subjects of our biodiesel production. We can say it is a non-edible oil of 40 years of productive life. It gives seeds with the planting after the planting of the third year. So it gives seeds from the third year of planting, and around 800 to 1200 seeds weigh 1 kg of it. But the sad part is that only 6% of 200 million production per annum is utilized in our country. It's a fast growing tree too, which helps farmers to get an yield within the third year of the planting. So it's a very good agricultural project if we can convert Pongamia into biodiesel. Now talking about few facts about the seeds are like it is bitter in taste and average of 28 to 34% of oil in it and 10 to 20 millimeter long of seeds. And as an important part, it is very important for us to know about the oil which is produced from the Pongamia pinnata. It has a high calorific value and flash point, so it cannot be used directly into the engine. And also it yields 99% of the biodiesel, which is a great fact to know about. So far we have understood what is biodiesel and why biodiesel or what is Pongamia, etc. So let us now know how to produce the biodiesel from the Pongamia pinnata. Transesterification is the process of producing the biodiesel from oil. The pictorial representation or diagrammatic representation shows you how do we extract biodiesel and glycerin separately, where oil is treated with the alcohol in the presence of a catalyst and gives biodiesel and glycerin. As a first step, it is simple to get oil from the seeds, and it's very important to get oil from the seeds. and then the biodiesel is being produced as shown in the flowchart below from the Pongamia seeds. Now the pictures here show the different stages of biodiesel production. Talking about the results of biodiesel with the diesel or comparing the results of biodiesel with diesel, we can see that B20, that is 20% of the biodiesel and 80% of diesel mixture, gave a good comparison with the pure diesel. So and also we have checked the performance characteristics of biodiesel on diesel engine and IC engine of different characteristics, and the results are also shown on the screen. Totally from the experiment, it is remarkable that B20 Pongamia C biodiesel is nearly comparable to diesel. At the end, I would love to say that let us become citizen, not just population, because it's our responsibility to take India to front and to have India one of the best countries in the world. So it is like if we start producing the biodiesel from the local seeds, etc., it is like it is our responsibility as an engineer to bring farmers also as a main work of Indian economy, so we can increase the GDP too with these, so we can reduce the import and enlarge the exports, I can say. So at the end, I will say let us become citizens, not just population. Thank you.